Welcome! This video explores the vibrant world of regular expression, or regex, communities and resources. If you're looking for help, or want to continue your regex journey, you're in the right place. This is where to get help and continue learning regular expressions. Let's explore some active online communities where you can ask questions, share patterns, and learn from others. First up is Stack Overflow. This is a question and answer platform with extensive regular expression discussions and solutions. You can find many threads with detailed answers to common and complex regular expression problems. Next, we have Reddit/Regex. This is an active community for regular expression help and pattern sharing. It's a great place to get quick help and see how others are using regular expressions in different contexts. These platforms provide interactive lessons and exercises to help you grasp regular expression concepts effectively. Let's explore these platforms. First, we have Regex1. This is an interactive platform with step-by-step, regular expression tutorials. It offers a structured learning path with exercises to reinforce your understanding. Next up is Regex Crossword. This platform uses a gamified approach to learning regular expression patterns. It's a fun and engaging way to test your skills and learn new patterns. Let's see some useful online tools that can help you test, debug, and visualize your regular expressions. First up is Regex101. This is a real-time testing tool with explanations and match highlighting. You can see how your pattern matches the text in real time and get detailed explanations of each part of the regular expression. Next, we have RegExr. This is an interactive regular expression builder with community patterns. It allows you to build regular expressions interactively and also provides a library of community-contributed patterns that you can use as a starting point. Comprehensive documentation and reference guides are essential for mastering regular expressions. First, we have MDN Web Docs. This provides comprehensive JavaScript, regular expression documentation with examples. It's a great resource for understanding how regular expressions work in JavaScript. Next up is regularexpressions.info. It provides detailed tutorials and reference guides for all regular expression flavors. It covers various aspects of regular expressions including syntax, metacharacters, and advanced techniques. Let's explore some books and online courses that can provide a deeper understanding of regular expressions. First, we have Mastering Regular Expressions. This is the definitive guide by Jeffrey Friedel for deep regular expression understanding. It's a comprehensive resource that covers regular expressions in great detail. Next, we have online courses. These are structured learning paths on platforms like Udemy and Coursera. You can find a variety of courses that cover regular expressions from beginner to advanced levels. Let's see some platforms where you can practice your regular expression skills with coding challenges. On coding challenge platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, and CodeWars, you can do regular practice with real-world problems and patterns. These platforms offer various coding challenges that require you to use regular expressions to solve problems. Continue to join communities, practice regularly, and explore new patterns. The regular expression journey never ends. Keep learning and experimenting, and you'll become a regular expression master in no time. Happy pattern matching! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.